Tesla's secret weapon is out, the Giga Press 2.0. Tesla reveals their secret weapon to build a Tesla Cybertruck. Giga Press is a casting machine manufactured by IDRA Group in Italy. It is said that the Tesla Cybertruck will be manufactured with IDRA's 9,000-ton Giga Press, which is the most powerful Giga Press casting machine in the world. Recently, IDRA has shared a video of their 9,000-ton Giga Press being assembled, and the CEO of Tesla, Elon Musk, reacted to the post by commenting, "Cybertruck buddy." For the time being, IDRA hasn't released any details on their 9,000-ton Giga Press, but from its feature description and the color shades, we could say that the 9,000-ton monster is for Tesla itself. The Tesla Cybertruck is a battery electric light-duty truck revealed by Tesla in 2019, and it has been stated that by the end of 2022, Tesla will start the building of the Cybertruck, and by 2023, it'll start its production. Well, the unveiling ceremony of the Cybertruck back in 2019 didn't go well as planned, and as a fact, they were just testing their prototype model. We can say that the Cybertruck is a combination of a van and a pickup truck. Elon Musk certainly wants to change their game plan, and they want to change their game to the next level. We can see a lot of interesting facts and features surrounding the Cybertruck. For instance, please take a look at the logo of the Cybertruck. It is a graffiti-themed logo that is interesting and may contain some Easter eggs. Another interesting fact about Cybertruck is that its exterior is made of stainless steel sheet metal and is said to be bulletproof. Elon Musk indicated that there could be a solar roof that would add on 15 miles of range per day. The Cybertruck has no curves. Instead, we could spot a lot of geometric shapes with points. Well, we have been talking about the Cybertruck for quite some time, so let's come back to our main subject, which is the Giga Press 2.0. So what is a Giga Press? Giga Press is a series of aluminum die casting machines manufactured by the IDRA Group in Italy. The wow factor of the company is that they produce the largest high-pressure die casting machine in the world. We know that the IDRA Group is a Tesla supplier that has provided them with large Giga Press or Giga casting machines. As an add-on, we also know that the world's biggest two casting machines are also owned by Tesla. A while ago, Tesla stated that they wanted to make full-size cars in the same way as the toy cars have been made with massive machines. Okay, let me make this more precise. We all have played with injection mold toys like Lego bricks, building blocks, creepy crawlers, etc., where you plunge some glue into a plastic mold and then pop it out like a little rubber bug. Same thing, but with an entire-sized electric car body. Well, it seems like a pretty cool thing, and as we all know, Tesla is all about trying out new technology. Talking about the Giga Press 2.0, Elon Musk has mentioned that Tesla will be able to cast the rear chassis for both the Tesla Model Y and the Tesla Cybertruck. By using the Giga Press, the chassis of the car can be made in a single piece. That is, instead of using hundreds of parts, the job can be done by using just 3 parts. There are rumors that the Cybertruck body could be made entirely with the Giga Press 2.0. The interior of the Cybertruck is an exoskeleton body that has a pickup truck's cockpit in it. The outer shell is also built with maximum durability and passenger protection. It is also said that the exterior of the Cybertruck exoskeleton will be made of 30 times cold-rolled stainless steel. Since the Cybertruck has no curves on it, it'll be easy to build the chassis using the 9,000-ton monster, which is the Giga Press 2.0. Giga Press works just like a die casting machine. It works by forcing molten metal alloy inside a reusable mold, then opening the mold to remove the finished pieces after it's solidified. At the beginning of each casting cycle, the robot sprays soybean oil inside the mold, and this will make it easy for the separation part. This will also make the mold reusable. The chassis will be of 3 pieces, the front and the rear sections joined by the battery pack structure. Tesla's aim of building the chassis in just 3 parts is something that only Tesla would be able to do. The Cybertruck consists of hardpoints, and this will make the process more manageable, and the majority of the work is done by the robots too. Well, I think the Giga Press 2.0 is one of the great investments made by Tesla, and from this investment, it is clear that Tesla is really making the Cybertruck a big deal. But still, the IDRA Group didn't open up above their client for whom they have built the 9,000-ton Giga Press 2.0. Hopefully soon we'll be able to watch the 9,000-ton in action. Soon after completing the installation process of the Giga Press 2.0, Tesla would begin the production of their Cybertruck.